Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you how to ask a question on Instagram. This continues our series on Instagram tech tutorials, so if you have any other questions about Instagram, make sure to check out all of our other videos. So today I'm showing you how to ask a question on Instagram. This would be on your Instagram story, as Instagram does not have the feature quite yet to be able to ask a question on your actual post. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you have the Instagram app downloaded, and you're going to make sure that you're logged into that app. Once you are logged in and that's downloaded, you're going to go into Instagram and you're going to go to your story. Now you can either go swipe to the left, or you can hit that button at the top left that says your story. Once you've done that, you're going to select whatever photo or video or anything that you would like as the background for your question. And then you're going to go to the top middle button here, which is the sticker icon right there. And you'll see that you have the option third row down right in the middle to ask questions. You're going to type in your question right here. And then once you're all set there, you'll click out of that and you can position this box wherever you'd like. You can make this smaller or bigger. Obviously can't go past this size right there, but you can put this anywhere here. And when someone wants to respond to you, they'll type something in. You'll also come back to the same exact post to see their answers. So you won't see their answers in a notification form or anything like that. You'll just have to come back to this post once you've posted it to your story. So you can send this to close friends or to your story down in the bottom left, and you are all set. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button. You can also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk. Thanks and have a great day.